This is our fight for this most basic, fundamental human right, freedom of speech.
My name is Brian Rose. I am a broadcaster, a father of 2 beautiful sons, and an entrepreneur. For 12 years of my life, I built one of the biggest channels on YouTube. I spoke with thought leaders, made films, and we created a successful company. Until one day, YouTube decided to delete everything.
There is no COVID-19.
And this movie is to blame for it all.
You had the largest viewed broadcast on YouTube. What happened after that broadcast, Brian?
They forced YouTube to take down our live stream.
So we decided to fight back.
This film is a really important story to tell. There were 2.3 million people in the world that wanted to hear what I had to say, and now a $1 trillion technology company has come in the middle and said, no, you can no longer talk to each other.
You are only one piece of content away from termination.
Who is telling me what I can and can't say? Who the fuck are these people?
Fuck the BBC.
Free speech is meaningless unless you allow people you don't like to say things you don't like.
Awaken to who you really are. Remember.
I want to be with Brian Rose and David Icke in the universe. That is the future, and that will never be defeated.